Alright, so welcome back to class. This is DBA Online English Language Revision class. And of course, we are still dealing with its subjects, the noun phrase and its positional function. In the last class, we saw how the noun phrase can actually function as the object of the verb in a sentence. This time around, we want to look at the noun phrase as the subject complement. The noun phrase as the subject complement. What do I mean? When a noun phrase performs the function of a subject complement in a sentence, it simply means it talks more about the subject of that particular sentence. Don't forget that the subject of any sentence is that group of words, that noun or that pronoun that performs the action in the sentence. So, when a noun phrase performs the function of the complement of a subject, it's giving us more information, it's describing or talking more about the subject in that particular expression. Let's look at the example on the board. Example, Mr. Adaranijo was appointed the general manager. Mr. Adaranijo was appointed the general manager. Now, if you look at this expression very well, the question I want to ask you is this. Who is the general manager in this expression? Is Mr. Adaranijo. And who is Mr. Adaranijo in this expression is also the general manager. Now, when the noun phrase performs the function of a subject complement, it means that the underlying expression is actually talking about the subject of that sentence. In this expression, of course, Mr. Adaranijo is the subject. Don't forget that the subject is always the one that performs the action of the verb in the sentence. So in this case, this particular expression is a noun phrase and it is the complement of the subject, Mr. Adaranijo. That's one. Another example, my English online class is a super class. My English online class is a super class. Now, the question you should ask yourself is this. What is the super class? English online class. What is English online class? This is also the super class. So, this expression is actually complementing the subject of the sentence. Now, you will look at this here that the verb here is not an action verb. It's a verb that is called copular verb. Copular verbs, and these are verbs that do not necessarily perform actions, but they express state of being. So when a particular noun phrase complements the subject, it means that it makes it to be complete and it refers to the subject of that expression. Don't forget, noun phrase performs positional function. I'll see you in the next video where we talk about the other functions of noun phrase. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.